Hi learners, this is Sunil Vishwakarma and today I am going to tell you about how to work with character formatting tools in OpenOffice Writer. Okay, now in order to apply formatting tools to the content in a document, you must select the word or group of words. Means you have to select your target word first, or say your target group of words first. Then you apply these formatting tools. Okay, these are formatting tools. You can get formatting tools from format, then click on characters. Okay, see font, you can get font over here, then font effects, outline, shadow, breaking, all these things, then position, superscript, subscript, superscript, subscript, then background, these are called backgrounds. You can get all these tools from format and character. Okay, now look at the two different text formats of same content. This is without formatting and this is with formatting. Now let's start. This is an effect of character spacing, and you can increase space in between characters by applying character spacing tool without increasing its font. Okay, let's do it. Select your target word, go to character spacing tool, click on drop down sign, select expanded. Now increase spacing value by change by. Okay, see the result. Okay, next is, these are some changes. The font size of water and earth words are slightly bigger than the others. इसमें क्या है देखिए, जितने भी water word है ना, water words हैं और earth word है, ये बाकी words से slightly bigger है. Let's do that. Select your target word water, then go for font 20, another water, either go for this one also 20, then this is your water 20, then water 20, then earth is also for 20, then water 20, and the water, last water 20. So you can increase their font by, first you have to select your target word, then go for your desired tool, character tool. The next is the number 2 is slightly below the base text, in between H and 2. H and 2 में ये देखिए text word. So select your target word, go for subscript. Subscript क्या करता है, बेस वर्ड से जो नेक्स्ट वर्ड है उसे थोड़ा सा हैंग कर देता है डाउन को. ठीक है. Then next is the oxygen and hydrogen are red in color and underline too. तो ऑक्सीजन और ये जो हाइड्रोजन है ये रेड कलर में है और अंडरलाइन भी है. लेट्स डू दैट. सिलेक्ट योर टारगेट वर्ड ऑक्सीजन and go for font color tool, select red, select red, then select hydrogen, select red, select all the group of words to make it underline. Yes. Okay, now next is the covalent bond looks like it was marked with a highlighter pen. ये हाइलाइटर पेन जैसा दिख रहा है आप लोगों को, मार्क करते हैं ना आप लोग। सो इसको आप टारगेट वर्ड को सिलेक्ट करिए, देन दिस इज योर हाईलाइटिंग टूल, देन सिलेक्ट योर डिजायर्ड color. I'm going to select green this time. See, the next is the word solid, state and ice are in the form what, italic and bold too. ठीक है, कर देते हैं इनको भी। select your target words, solid, state, ice ना, bold है और क्या है, इटैलिक है। ठीक है, इटैलिक के ऊपर क्लिक कर देते हैं। गैसियस का भी कुछ दिख रहा है, इटैलिक फॉर्मेट में है। सेलेक्ट गैसियस, क्लिक ऑन इटैलिक बटन। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द वर्ड स्टेट इज इन स्ट्राइक थ्रू कंडीशन। ये देखिए, ये स्ट्राइक थ्रू काटा गया है। लेट्स डू दैट। सेलेक्ट योर टारगेट वर्ड एंड देन सर्च फॉर strike through. This is your strike through. Click on strike through. See the effect. Now next is this one. The number 3 is just above the base text, that is KGMQ. Let's do that. Select your target word 3. Now go for superscript. Superscript क्या करता है, हवा में उड़ा देता, सुपरमैन की तरह। देखिए इफेक्ट। Now see the effect. Both look alike. Huh? Both look alike. See, this is called character formatting. You can beautify your content with the help of character formatting tools. Bye students.